Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today we are talking everything marketing for photographers in 2023. We're going to delve into the world of marketing and explore an essential aspect for your photography business this year. And no surprises here, organic marketing is the way to go. We'll discuss what marketing is, what organic marketing entails, how it works, and the best strategies to implement. So let's dive right in. What is marketing? Before we jump into organic marketing, let's start with the basics. What exactly is marketing? Well, marketing refers to the activities and strategies that businesses undertake to promote their products or services to attract customers and build brand awareness. As photographers, marketing plays a crucial role in growing our businesses and reaching our target audience. So now that we understand marketing in general, let's talk about organic marketing. Organic marketing is a method of promoting your photography business that focuses on generating interest and attracting customers naturally without relying on paid advertising or promotional gimmicks. Think of it like planting a seed and watering it and watching it grow as a result of nature. It is natural, it is organic, it is over time, and it costs no money. It's really all about building genuine connection, fostering relationships, and leveraging word of mouth and people's trust in you and recommendations. So let's talk about how organic marketing works. It is all about creating valuable and engaging content or interactions that resonate with your target audience. By consistently sharing your knowledge, insights, and creative work through various channels, online or offline, online like social media, blogging, emails, newsletter, or offline by networking in real-life events, providing your services at volunteering gigs, and just being around the community, you establish yourself as an authority in your niche. People are gonna look at you like the person who knows what they're doing. This is why you wanna become good at one thing and not average at many. You wanna be the one person people go to for that specific photography need. And when it comes to organic marketing, one very important concept to keep in mind is the rule of 7. Although nowadays it's more than 7. But the rule of 7 suggests that potential clients need to encounter your brand or message at least 7 times before they take action and decide to buy. This means it is crucial to maintain a consistent presence and ensure your content reaches your target audience multiple times to increase the likelihood of conversion. Again, this goes on for real life strategies as well. You want people to see you, and you want people to see you a lot. You want them to hear your name. You want people to recommend you and talk about you. And the best way to do that is to get out there, to work, to connect with people in your network, in your community, and expand your audience by being valuable, knowledgeable, and of service. So as I mentioned, when it comes to organic marketing for photographers, one of the best strategies you can adopt is networking. Building relationships through collaboration and volunteering can help you reach potential clients and gain you referral and exposure at the same time. You can attend industry events, community events in your niche, join communities online, and actively engage with people in your niche and within your community, or even fellow photographers in your industry. Be part of the community and be a vital part of the community. Get people to know you, get people to love you, and they will hire you for you. And that is the biggest secret about marketing in general. People buy from people. Become the person people want to buy from. While networking is essential, it is equally crucial to know your niche, determine your pricing, and have a strong portfolio. These 3 elements, I consider their marketing, even though they're more so business strategy, but they will support your marketing. Understanding your target audience, aka your niche, and tailoring your marketing efforts to their needs and preferences is the most effective way to market. You need to know who you're targeting, because how are you gonna talk to them? How are you gonna find them if you don't know who they are? And then of course, if you have a niche and you know where to find them, having a well-defined pricing structure will simplify your booking process and help you with your marketing. If you have a clear goal of what you want your client to do next in your workflow and present them with clear options to choose from, it will position yourself not only as an authority, but as a solution to their problems. Lastly, your portfolio is is a key element in your marketing strategy. Curating and displaying the kind of work your dream client wants to see is the most important task you can do as a creative. It will help you build trust, credibility, and it will send a clear message to potential clients that you are the photographer for the job. They want to see themselves or their business reflected in your photos. If you're curious about how to make a portfolio online and you don't know what to include or how many images to throw in there, I have a whole series of videos that can help you with that. Another great strategy when it comes to organic marketing is to think where people already came from and simply repeat it. Guys, we don't need to reinvent the wheel here. This is nothing new. This is nothing exciting or creative that we're coming up with. Marketing has been around for ages, and there's no need to do something different if something that you're doing is working. And you might be doing something without even realizing that you're doing it or that it's working. So if you're someone who's gotten a client or two before, this is a great source of information. Think about where your clients already came from and try to recreate the same strategy you accidentally employed to begin with. And if you've had successful projects with clients, leverage those connections to generate repeat business and referrals. Happy clients can be your best brand ambassadors, and they can help you spread the word about your photography services. So do good work and ask people to share the work that you've done with them with the people they know and anyone that might be looking to hire services in the future. So as I mentioned earlier, defining your ideal client, it is a key element to finding them and figuring out where they are. Understanding your target audience demographic, interest, and preference will help you tailor your marketing efforts more effectively. What that means is maybe your ideal client doesn't shop on Instagram. Maybe your ideal client is somebody who goes to a yoga studio nearby. Maybe your ideal client shops at one supermarket over the other. Maybe your ideal client shops from a different vendor in the same area of work. You can leave your business cards there. You can do marketing with them. The whole point is, who is your client, where are they, and how can you find them? Whether it's through social media platforms, photography forums, local events, make sure you're present where your potential clients are likely to be. Don't just assume everyone's on Instagram. Don't just assume everyone's on Facebook or LinkedIn. Really think like your potential client and try to find out where they are online and offline. So in short, remember, marketing is about creating connections. It's about building relationships and consistently showcasing your skills by implementing the strategies we discussed today. If you do that, you'll be on your way to growing your photography business organically, which means it will be free and it will be natural and it will be easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and follow along. I'll see you guys next time.